going towards the video, I would like to ask you to read this disclaimer. Pause for a second. Okay, if you read it, then move forward.
Okay, life changer video. Your thinking regarding forex will change after watching this video. Information. We are living in the internet age where there is no shortage of information. You are told that this market is controlled by big banks, institutions like hedge fund. They always make money as they have more money. They do not make money as they have more money, but they have a proven method which make them consistent winner. I will reveal that to you later. Instead, you are told about high win rate strategies, high risk reward ratios, stupid money management. You are told about 18 to 20% gain in a year is possible. I'm talking about disinformation. You were told you could only make your living from trading if you have at least six-digit account. You were told if you do over trading, then you will wash your account. There should be a method in madness. If have you seen circus? The way artists in circus perform their stunts, there is a method in their madness. If you don't have any method and you do over trading, then obviously you will wash your account. Who does inject disinformation into your mind? These are the people, these fake gurus. They attract people by telling them high win rate strategy. They will open a chart of past data, then they will choose that part of the chart where that strategy or indicator works most. See, as a day trader, I'm talking to the day trader. I have pity on swing traders, but that is something else which is not discussed, which I won't discuss here. See, this is the trick which they play. If something had already happened, it is easy to analyze that. But once you are in live market, then it is a different animal. As a day trader, how many times you have noticed that you have a strategy, and once you are looking at the market and after 15 to 20 candle have formed, then you realize, oh shit, that was my entry, I missed that. How did you miss that? Because of the live market. But once the event has happened, you find your strategy there. So this is how they trick the people. They show you past data, and most importantly, they will show you the part of that chart where that strategy or indicator works most. I have already a video regarding this on my channel with title indicators no indicator. In that video I have shown how some indicators works very well even a 90 to 100% win rate in favorable market condition. Who do fake gurus make people fool? The topic is on, but there is a trick in that method also, as they take small sample of trades. To judge any strategy, always take a large sample of trade with that method. 100 trade sample is essential to judge the real win rate. What they get by doing this, why they do this? See, they will ask you to buy that magic indicator which has 80 to 85% accuracy according to them, or you will be asked to join their signal group where they will give you free signal, but you deposit money in their broker's account, in this broker's account, by using their affiliate link. They have list of brokers and they do get commission on every lot which you trade on that broker's platform. This is how they make money. But on the other end, trader wash out their account in 3 to 4 months. Or they will sell you a course and in which you are told about some stupid strategies and some so-called money management and risk to rewards. Once you purchase that course, then you have your own way and they have their own. Or they will ask you to buy their signals. Trick which they play to trap you, you will be asked if you are doubtful about our signals, then buy it for 1 week. If you make profit, then only continue. And they demand a low amount up to 50 to $100. You will be told that their signals accuracy is up to 70 to 80%, and some even tells more than this. What happened to you then? You do join their trading room, a signal service, for 1 week by thinking if it does not work then it is only a 50 or $100. But you forget one thing about your own money which you could lose in that process, as you are misguided that they have 70 to 80% win rate, so you put huge amount after losing 2 or 3 trades in a row. See, 70% winning mean doesn't mean that you win 7 trades out of 10. In fact, to judge any strategy's real percentage after large sample, 100 sample, after 100 trades. So you put huge amount after losing 2 or 3 trades in a row. If you are lucky, then you could survive in the end of the week or make some profit. Or there are high chances you will quit after 2 3 days or eventually lose all of your money in that signal service. See why or how you make profit from those signal servers for time being. It is a 50-50 game where you have a 50% chances on every trade. See market go up or down. Once you place sell or buy entry, so you have 50% chances. No one knows where will the market go. So that's why you could earn profit from their service, but only for 1 week or 2 weeks. But in the end, you will lose all your money. So never do this. But this is the hard reality of the industry. This is how this industry works. They will trap another desperate person. Once you lose your money, the another will come to fill your place. They will trap someone by showing their fake result and fake comments. They will show you luxury lifestyle where they will show you a very good villa which they rent for some time and do records number of videos in that home and keep showing you by time and time by pretending you that they are living in a luxury home, so they are very successful trader. Or they will show you the videos where the bunch of people are sitting in front of them and there is a big monitor inside of that person where he's giving lecture to the bunch of people. They will show you this to make you realize, to make you understand that they are a very good trader. So people do listen him and people do pay them for their webinars, for their lectures regarding trading. So I will summarize this. They make money by risking you to join, by asking you to join their group and deposit money with their affiliate links to the broker's account. They will sell you signals or they will sell you courses. They do it by showing you the luxury lifestyle, which is fake, by the way. For that, they designed very good websites and paid the money to some websites for fake reviews of their services. See, who doesn't want to live in a good home? Who doesn't want to drive a very good car, luxury car? Who doesn't want to go in a good destination for their holidays? All want it. You want it, I want it. This is how they play with the mind of people. Okay, now I'm revealing you a very powerful method. If you apply it to you, then you don't need anyone. You can easily save yourself from these people. But let's discuss the rule first. What do you require for that? Discipline. You have to be disciplined. And your edge in the market. Edge means strategy. People called it strategy, I called it edge. You must have edge in the market and discipline and solid money management plan, which I will tell you. See, I called it never lose strategy. You need 5 trades a day, but for that you need your edge, means strategy. You are taught do not do over trading, which is bullshit. To earn a living from trading, you need 100 trades in a month. And if you take 5 trades a day, there are 20 trades, 20 working days in the month, so you could take 100 trades in a month. It's key to understand, are you going towards the right direction? Just see your balance after 20 trades. What does it mean? If you have any strategy and if you have my plan, you just look at your balance after 20 trades. Do not give any attention to your balance after 5 trades, after 10 trades, after 11 trades. Just look at your balance after 20 trades. And if something added into your account after 20 trades, then your strategy is fine. You have already my system which I'm giving you. But after 20 trades, you are even 1% negative, then you are doing something wrong. Then you have to look at your strategy. Are you not following the plan? There are two possible things. Even if there is something wrong with your strategy, or you are not following my plan. 20 trades are your first station. Even if you make 1% profit, then you are fine. 20 trades window is important to know your direction. But real result will come after 100 trades. You just need 1 to 1.2 risk to reward ratio to follow my plan. Just use 1% of your initial balance on every trade. Never lose strategy. I called it. Suppose if you have $1,000 account, then you will only risk $10 on every trade, which will be 1% of your capital. If you lose, you will lose $10, but if you win, you will win $12 on every trade. You are told to 1 to 1 point risk to reward ratio, or 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, or 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. But if you have a high risk reward ratio, then it reduces your accuracy and winning percentage. I will show you how could you make a decent profit with this risk to reward ratio. Are you ready? Let me blow your mind. Okay, guys, I'm not telling you a fairy tale. I'm not telling you some fancy stories. This is mathematical formula which I am sharing with you. You do not need 60%, 65%, 70%, 80% winning strategy to make money in the market. You can even make money with 46% winning rate. If you have initial balance of $1,000 and your risk per trade is 1%, which is $10, and you have a 46% winning strategy, with after 100 trades you will have 46 winners, 54 losses, but you will earn $12 in the end of the month, which is not big, but you will make money at least with 46% winning rate. And in the end of the year, you will make $131 profit, which is 13% of your initial balance. Have you seen this? Just 46%. Risk $10, earn $12. Risk $10, earn $12. Get in, get out, get in, get out. Repeat this formula again and again, again and again. And even if you have a low risk strategy or low winning percentage strategy, this is what you will get in the end of the year. This is what you will get at the end of the month. If you have a 5-digit account, then add 10 to it. If you have 6-digit account, then add 20 to this $12. Okay. Okay. Let's come to something good. See, 48% is a decent winning rate. And remember, we are just getting 1.2% profit. We are risking 1% and getting 1.2% profit. So our risk to reward ratio is very low. But see, the winning ratio is only 48%, which is 100% doable. You can achieve this. And if you have only 48% winning strategy, this is what you will make in the end of the month. $1,922 mean 90% profit. 90% profit on your trades. This is what you will make if you have this even 48% strategy. See, guys, No, remember you were told about 15 to 20% gain is a good gain. Even Warren Buffett's income doesn't increase more than 18% per year. But see, this is not fairy tale. This is a written mathematical formula. You can do this your own. And the key, do not increase your trade size unless or until you complete your 100 trades. Once your 100 trades will complete and your next month will start, then increase your numbers. Suppose here there is a 10.5, you could easily make it around $11. Okay, here 11.15 is okay, here 11.78, you can easily make it $12. But with 48% winning rate, with 1 to 1.2 risk reward ratio, this is what you will get in the end of the year, $922. How much money you need for that? $1,000. Okay, this is what the real game. 50-50. I have already told you this trading is a 50-50 game. But if you have this 50% winning ratio, see guys, this is what you will get in the end of the month, in the end of the year, $3,138, which is 201% profit of your initial balance after 1 year, with only 50% winning ratio, with only 1 to 1.2 risk reward. Imagine if you go for 1 to 1.5, then this numbers will change dramatically. But I'm telling you something which is doable, which you can do again and again. As I have already told you, if you have low risk reward, your winning percentage increases. Okay, so this is what, see, this is very simple. It is very simple, but it is not easy. These are two different things, my friend. You have to understand this. Simple mean anyone can understand it, but anyone can't do it. Easy mean anyone can understand it and anyone can do it. This is simple, not easy. People fail to do this simple thing. Why? I will tell you. Suppose if you have even 50% winning rate, once you have four losses in a row, and remember you are supposed to take five trades. Whenever there is an edge, go for your trade. Whenever there is an edge, go for trade. Suppose you have four losses in a row, and your eye will go towards your balance. Oh, I have told you, do not look at the balance unless or until you complete 20 trades. All of a sudden, fifth trades comes in front of you. You will hesitate to press the button. I have already four losses by using this method. Perhaps this method is not working at this time. Should I press the button? Should I press the button? In meanwhile, price forward towards a direction, or then you realize, oh shit, I have missed the opportunity. Okay, if there is another opportunity, then I won't miss that. I won't miss that. But what happened? Once there is another opportunity comes, you enter in the trade, and guess what? You lose that trade. So there is, well said by Mark Douglas, trade without hesitation, without reservation. Mark Douglas said this. He was very famous regarding his trading psychology. So trading is not about strategy. Yes, it is very important. You need a good strategy. I called it edge. You need good edge in the market. But this is what you need, really need. You need discipline. You need mental toughness to follow this plan. Complete 100 trades and repeat it next month. Complete it, repeat it, complete it, repeat it. But you do not do this. But I have told you it is simple. You must have understood it. But can you do it? Ask this question from you. If you do it, go ahead. Do this mathematically. Do not add anything, which makes us loser. Because if you have three losing trade in a row, we will manipulate this lot size. We will increase our risk per trade. Okay, I have three losses. Okay, no problem if I add $5 into it. No, you will not leave your plan. You will not distract from your plan. You have to follow the plan. Of course, you must have an edge in the market. Okay, no, come to the 55% winning ratio. See, guys, with low risk reward ratio, 55% winning is very much possible. And if you have this with this risk reward, you can make this 9,849 in the end of the year. With how much? With $1,000 account. I have already explained. If you have 5-digit account, then add one zero into it. 98,000 you will make at the end of the year with 55% winning ratio, and which is a very much doable. You can do this with this risk to reward ratio if you have a good edge in the market. Who prevents you from doing this? Who? As I told you, never look at your balance unless until you complete your 20 trades. Once you have completed your 20 trades, then look at your balance. See, in worst cases, you are risking only 1%. How much you will lose? 20%. But if you have 20 losses in a row, if you have 20 losses in a row, then throw your edge into the garbage. Your edge is garbage then. Okay. Okay. Now comes to this 60%. 60%, my favorite number. See, if you have this winning ratio and with this risk to reward ratio, you could easily do this. You could easily achieve this winning percentage. You could easily achieve this winning percentage. And if you have this winning percentage with this low risk to reward ratio, this is what you will make at the end of the year. $27,982. Guys, I'm repeating. I'm not telling you some fancy stories. I'm not telling you some fairy tales. It is a mathematical formula. There is no, you shouldn't have any doubt about this. You have heard about 80%, 85% winning strategies, but I'm talking about only 60%. You have heard about 1 to 1.5. You have heard about 1 to 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. I'm just talking about 1 to 1.2 risk reward. This is what you will make. at the end of the year, $27,982, which is 2600%, almost 2600% profit. Now come to 65%. See, with this risk to reward ratio, it is difficult. It is hard, but it is not impossible. You can achieve this also. You can also achieve this. I achieve this. But as I mentioned, once you do this, this number will not appears in this manner. You have to understand this. You have to understand that these numbers will not appear in this fashion. You may have 70 here, 30 here. You may have 60 here, 40 here. You may have 80 here, 20 here. You may have 75 here, 25 here. You have 40 here, 60 here. But in the end of the year, when you count all these numbers, you could easily, not easily, you could make this 65% at the end of the year. But as we are talking about 65% winning ratio, so therefore 65 is here. And we are counting 100 trades. How much you will make? $73,119 at the end of the year, which is 7200% profit. Okay, this is something where my hands are up. I can't achieve this. I have never achieved this number for 1 year. Yes, I do have months where I have 75 winning trades, where I have 70 winning trades. But with consistently, I have done this. No, I haven't done this. I can't do this. But I'm talking about the fake gurus. I'm talking about the scammers who are selling you 80%, 85% strategies, who are selling you 75%, 80%, 85% winning indicators. I can't achieve this number. It is very hard. But I hope one day I may achieve this number, but so far I haven't achieved these numbers. But see, if you have this winning ratio, this is what you will make at the end of the year. 100,000, $172,152. This is what you will make at the end of the year. Now catch the collar of Mr. 80% scammer, Mr. 85% scammer, and ask him, man, if you have such winning ratio, then why are you providing me signals? Why are you asking me to deposit money into broker's account by using your affiliate link? So this is enough to make you understand that making money in Forex, you do not need a high winning rate. You can make money even with 46% winning rate with 1 to 1.2 risk reward ratio. But as I told, if you have low risk reward ratio, your winning percentage always will increase. 1 into 1.2 is a very low risk reward. Okay. But as I mentioned, it is simple, not easy. As I have revealed it in front of you, so how many of you can do this? You will try, and best of luck to you, my friend. Okay, my friend. I have revealed you what I have promised to you. No, my friends, that was the informative part of the video. No, it is something about business. To be fair with you, I will like to tell you about myself. I have been trading for 9 years. I did make my first profit after 3 years, and I survived in those years as I had a very good job which I was doing abroad. I have quit that job recently and become a full-time trader. But full-time trader mean doesn't mean that I used to work for 3 hours before. Again, now I'm also work for 3 hours only, and I spend time with my friends, do some exercises, and obviously sleep on time and get up on time. Anyway, the method which I told you once I did this to me, it's changed my life and trading style. After doing all the blunders first 3 years of trading, whatever I have told you in the beginning, that was my own experience. I purchased courses, I paid for signals, but once I applied this formula with my trading, it's changed my life and trading style. Obviously, in the beginning, I do I do some mistakes because I never used to stuck with my original plan. Suppose if I have 3 4 losses, then I will just manipulate my risk per trade. But as the time progresses, I come over those bad habits. I realize my mistakes and then eliminate them, and then the journey of success started. And once my trading income crosses my job's income, then I decided to quit my job. Okay, I say enough is enough. Goodbye. Thank you very much, sir. I spent 13 years of mine in your company, so it is time to goodbye. Now I'm trading and also giving training to the traders where they can earn their living. Okay, so now you have a question. You have a right to ask me the question. See, same thing I was telling in the beginning that they sell courses to you, but how I am different from others. See, as a trader, my job should be to show you my trades on daily basis with real account. Because I'm a trader, I'm not model who will show you my luxury car, my luxury villa. I'm not model. I'm a trader. So which I'm showing you, I'm doing it, and I have real account of 100K dollar, $100,000. You are watching my videos where I have just started because I was living abroad. Once I come back into my country, this was new broker in the beginning. I just tested the broker and opened a small account. Once I realized, okay, this broker is good, then I have added more money. Then I also was taking small trades and looking what how does it react. But now it is fine. And from future onwards, you will see 5 trades of mine on daily basis with real account. I will show you my account right now, but there is some problem. I can't show you my account number because account number is a something which is private. You have to hide your account number because of security. After in the end, it's a matter of money. I have $100,000 in that account, so I will not show you account number. You will see the balance before the trade and the after the trade. Once I upload my trades, I make sure that you will see my balance. So you can see if today my balance is this and tomorrow if I'm uploading any trade, so you can see that. See, I'm not promoting that broker. You must have noticed I have not mentioned the name even. Okay, I'll show you my account. Okay guys, this is my account. I have just larged the picture to make you look visually. See, I have hidden my account number, OctaFX Real, my broker's name, and it is real account and it is my balance. It is $100,205. See, and this is. See, this is what it is. Okay, so you are dealing with the right person. That's why I'm different from other, because there is no other guru who's uploading his trades with real money on daily basis. Okay, what will I offer you? See, I will tell you about my mind-blowing strategies. I have shared my mind-blowing formula. So I have also mind-blowing strategies. Once you will learn from that, from me, that I will be with you for 1 year as a monitor. See, once you learn my simple strategies from me, then I will be your monitor for 1 year. What does it mean? It means I will keep analyzing your trades on daily basis. I will keep looking at your balance and I will keep telling you. But you are the one who has to press the button. I will not trade on behalf of you because I do not believe on spoon feeding. And then it is you have to do this. I and you will reach to our targets together at the end of the year. Once you have done it, once you've done it for a year, then you will keep doing this again and again for the rest of your life. But if you are looking for someone who will make you rich in months, then I'm not your cup of tea, my friend. Sorry. What do you need? Just 3 hours of the day. I'm a day trader with my trading style. You could easily find 5 trades on 4 pairs. I do trade on Euro USD, Pound USD, Pound Yen, and my favorite gold. These are my 4 pairs. I only look at these pairs. See, there is no need to stare at 10 to 15 pairs at once to find 5 trades a day. You could easily adjust your trades according to your daily routine. Even if you have a job and you are doing some kind of work, but 3 hours you could easily adjust according to your daily routine as it is 24/5 market. This market is open for 24 hours, so you could adjust according to your time zone and your working hours. How will I help you to make profit? See, I will teach you my techniques and method by one-on-one via Skype, not recorded video. You could ask any question if you don't understand anything. My techniques are so simple that even A 12 years old can learn it. I used the word simple, not easy. I have already explained about simplicity and easiness are two different things. Simple, anyone can understand it, but anyone can't do it. Easy, anyone can understand it, anyone can do it. My technique and strategies are simple, not easy. So it does not matter if you are experienced trader or beginner. So this will not make any difference. Okay, how to join me? If you want to join me and want to learn from me, then contact me at this email. Otherwise, I have told you the golden rule. Just find your edge and apply my formula. Best of luck to you guys. Thank you for watching the video.